I like Skyscraper. It's noticeably a very high yielding variety. John McCauley from Northern Ireland originally, now got a small farm in Cambridgeshire, 250 acres on a hand sloped clay, working on a close rotation, a very simple rotation of an AB15 and then first and second wheat. I like Skyscraper. It's noticeably a very high yielding variety. The key agronomic attributes is yield, disease resistance and tillering, being able to tiller well. I chose Skyscraper essentially for the yield, combining for a neighbour who had a plot of Skyscraper, and when I noticed that the yield went up about 1.5 tons a hectare, which was quite, that certainly brought it to my attention. We are farming a heavy clay with poor soil structure, so we do have a mild blackgrass issue. One of the reasons we went for Skyscraper was it's a high tillering variety, which was doing its good to suppress the blackgrass. In Cambridgeshire, the biggest challenges to growing wheat are probably the extreme growing conditions, extreme droughts, extreme wet periods, so being able to drill in the autumn, trying to get a later drilling date to help with the combat blackgrass. So we're drilling there from about the 16th of October, and lately when it turns wet, it stays wet at that time of year, so we've had a couple of bad experiences. Our farming practice, we've been focusing on our farming practice for the last couple of years. We knew the farming policy was going to change. I try to run a controlled traffic system here. I've run an 8-metre controlled traffic system because we're focused on trying to improve soil health and less reliance on chemicals.